Hey everyone, my name is Paul Vojchehoske and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel where my mission is simple, that's to help you pass your real estate exam the first time. So if you haven't seen the community tab on the YouTube channel, I've been posting every day basically a daily practice exam question, and I got a response to one of the questions from a student named Zach, and he was asking about the zero lot line. I had posted a practice exam question regarding a zero lot line, and he was really confused about zero lot line, frontage, setbacks, and how they all play together. So I thought I'd do a quick video and explain how that all works. So we have two lots that are adjoining here, lot 1 and lot 2. Now in lot 1, I have the dotted lines here. That's what's called a setback. Now this is very local, and it's going to be in accordance with either a zoning law or a city ordinance. They're going to establish what's called a setback. Now, a setback is a certain distance that an improvement can be from the property lot line. A very common distance is 6 to 8 feet. And typically the way it's structured is on 3 sides of the lot, no improvement can be put within that buffer zone, if you will. So if you're going to build a house, it's going to have to be 8 feet from the property line. Otherwise, it's going to violate that ordinance or that zoning law on the setbacks. Now, typically what happens is on the frontage, there's another word here, frontage. Frontage is the side of the lot that faces the street. All right, that's the frontage. And they can have more than one frontage. So if there's a road over here, you're going to have two frontages. So anyways, typically what you're going to find on the frontage side is the setback is actually deeper. So maybe this is a 12-foot setback, or it's a 20-foot setback, depending on the lot size. So that is a setback, and that is frontage. Now, there are some mathematical calculations that you're going to have to know for real estate math, or calculating some real estate math using frontage. We're not going to do that here in this video, but I did do a previous video on how to calculate frontage. The last one I want to talk about is a zero lot line. What is a zero lot line? Because a lot of people get confused and think, well, a zero lot line is like an encroachment, and it's not. So let's say that on a zero lot line, in fact, I lived in the house that I lived in when I was stationed in Alaska was a zero lot line dwelling. So you have what looks like a duplex, all right, unit 1, unit 2, but it is actually like a townhome, for example. I lived in a townhome when I was in Alaska. There were actually 4 units, but in this particular example, there are 2 units, unit 1, unit 2, and this is a zero lot line. Remember, here's our property line right here, and the building, the separation between unit 1 and unit 2 was typically like a cinder block wall, is right on the lot line. So that's why they call it a zero lot line. All right? 2 separate lots, 2 separate individually deeded lots with an improvement on it. It's just they are connected together. It looks like a duplex. However, each one is independently owned with a deed. So that is a zero lot line, frontage, and a setback. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments section, and I will return with an answer. If you're going to continue studying, check out this video right here. If you have not subscribed, click the little circle to my left, comments and questions down below. See you all in the next video.